Hello and welcome. This is eSonic Empire. We deal on sound equipment, musical equipment, studio gadgets, and light system. We don't only sell this equipment, we also give professional guidelines and maintenance tips. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can avoid this annoying feedback sound from your sound system. Alright, the video I'm about to show you now will show you two simple things you must do to avoid this annoying feedback sound from your speaker.
You've heard that annoying sound before? That is called feedback. That also happens when you cup the microphone. You never want to point your microphone actually at a speaker or cup it because it creates something called feedback. It's happened at weddings, it happened at a gig. Don't do it. Do not point your microphone at a speaker or cup it. You're going to get feedback.
Alright, so basically what the video is trying to tell us is not to do this or this. Viewers, if you find this video helpful, I would like you to subscribe, follow, like, and share for more. Thank you.